when your straw is broken, but you still want the rest of your Starbucks. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the July edition of Pandora's box. I know this is getting later on in the month, but we have it now. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. I was going to post a video up on Tuesday, but my face and my eyes were still bugging from all that makeup I did last week. So I was just like, I can't do it. I need a break. But I am back today with my Pandora's box unboxing. There was a little bit of a shipping delay this month. It's not of the norm. They just had some issues, but we have it now. So let's go ahead and get on into it. In case you are not familiar with Pandora's box, what that is, it is a subscription service that is solely based on indie brands. They have a theme each month, which this year so far they have been doing the fantasy theme, and this month's theme is Medusa's Lair. And when I say subscription service, it's not a every month reoccurring charge like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or any of these other beauty boxes that are out there. This is a pay as you want subscription service. So you get to pick and choose which boxes you want to try. There are normally 7 to 10 items from different indie brands each month, and yeah, it's just a really great box, especially if you want to start exploring into indie brands. How you order is from the 1st through the 15th. That is when the pre-orders start for the next month. So if you want to get in on August's box, you had until the 15th, but they actually extended it to the 20th of this one. I do believe it's the 20th. It's either the 20th or the 21st. I'll put it down in my comments so you know which one it is. Then when the next month rolls around, the box will ship out from the 1st through the 5th, depending on what day it falls on. If there's any holidays, whatnot. And of course, during, this time right now, shipping's been going crazy with everything, and there's been delayed shipping dates, but sometimes shipments go on time, sometimes they don't. It's just, shipping is just redonkulous right now. So it normally ships out from the 1st through the 5th, and we normally get it around, I think the latest I've gotten one was the 17th. But yeah, normally get it by the 15th, so it's pretty good. All right, so now that I have talked to you about how Pandora's box works, let's go ahead and see what we got for this month. All right, let's go ahead and get this unboxing started. I got my scissors and we're going to open this up. I do have my information down in front of me as to what the product is and from which brand it is from. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, we got a nice big bag full of goodies. Super stoked. I can save this bag too. All right, looks like we have some lollipops from Lollies by Leah. This is in the flavor the Gorgons and Malevolence. The Gorgons is kiwi lime gummy snakes. Ooh, that sounds good. And Malevolence is tart black currant lemonade. Oh, those sound delicious. It says on here, from Lollies by Leah, we included a surprise selection of lollipops. That's pretty awesome. Handmade pieces of deliciousness for you to enjoy as our special treat. The 2 flavors are Malevolence, tart black currant lemonade, and the Gorgons, kiwi lime gummy snakes. I love these. These are actually really good lollipops. I think we got some, not last month, but the month before, and they are just so good. The flavors are like, they're just so bold and just, they taste so good. And it's not very sugary, because you know when you have lollipops you could just like taste straight sugar. These aren't like that. You get more of the flavor rather than the sugar. Okay, so we have a bottle of the Badass setting spray from Apocalyptic Beauty. And it is in the scent My Love. That is so cool. I love how it's called Badass Setting Spray. I like the label. It says on here from Apocalyptic Beauty, I can never say that word right, we have a travel size setting spray, a blend of earth, grasses, honeysuckle, and a hint of jasmine. This is a special blend just for this edition, but if you love it, let Apocalyptic Beauty know and she might add it. The original Pandora spray is still offered on her site. Let's smell this. Ooh, that smells really good. I wouldn't mind that in like a perfume. In like a roller ball. That's how good that smells. Ooh, I like that. I can't wait to try that out. Okay. Looks like we have a new brand in here. Hallow Cosmetics. I don't believe I have tried something from them before. It looks like we got a little pressed eyeshadow. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh. Just look how that reflects in my light. Let's give it a little swatchy swatch. Ooh. Wow, that is gorgeous. I might sneak that on my face as a highlighter. Y'all know I'm all about some green highlighters. All right, it says on here from Hallow Cosmetics, we have an amazing sample size pressed highlight / shadow for Hallow's debut into Pandora's box. Hallow is a fairly new company to the indie market as well, and we are honored to have her as part of this edition. That is awesome. Oh, and it's in the shade Medusa Crown. I forgot to mention that. I can't wait to use this both as a shadow and a highlighter. I'm definitely going to use this as a highlighter very, very soon. From Notoriously Morbid, we have an eye base in the shade Into Stone. It looks like it's a gray eye base. That is neat. Ooh, it's very creamy. Okay, so it's not like super pigmented, which is really good, because there are some eye bases out there that are just like way too pigmented, and they, you know, just take away the color that you're trying to put down. But I can't wait to try this, especially with the, hold on one second, I have it because I used it today, the ColourPop Smoke Show, but it's now called Blow and Smoke eyeshadow palette. It says from Notoriously Morbid, we have a full size, oh, and this is full size, that's cool, full size eye base, a stone gray shade which can be used in so many ways. It is also vegan. This base will work for brows, liner, just about anything you can imagine. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I could see putting it down as a liner, then taking like a dark gray or black and then powder and then putting that on there to set it. That's really neat. I can't wait to try this. All right, next up, we have something from Serendas Enchantments, which if you order Pandora's box, this is actually where Pandora's box comes from, is this brand. And I have to tell you guys something funny. I didn't put 2 and 2 together until like a month and a half ago. That is how bad I am. I had the biggest blonde moment ever when I did not put 2 and 2 together. And this is the roll-on body oil in the scent Medusa's Lair. It says from Serendas Enchantments, we have a 10 milliliter roll-on body oil. Medusa's Lair is a unique blend of figs and herbs, sweet absinthe tea, jasmine, amber, oak moss, and musk. Grapeseed oil, avocado oil, apricot oil, high oleic sunflower oil, and fractioned coconut oil make up the rest of the mixture. To anyone that ordered during early access, I also included a more sweet version of the body oil. Ambrosia is a blend of pears, apples, peaches, berries, pineapples, and coconut. Excuse me, my allergies. And coconut smothered in creamy marshmallow. There are also a few orders that got the ambrosia gift too. I don't think I did because I didn't order during early access. But let's go ahead and smell this one. I just rubbed that on my nose. Ooh. I like this smell. Ooh, that smells really good. And I like how it absorbs really fast into the skin. It doesn't sit on top of the skin, so you're not like stuck with like this oil greasy mess. I like this smell really good. Ooh, I love it. Ooh. We have a glitter eyeliner from Sparrow Cosmetics. Ooh, this is nice. Can't really see the label because of my light. It's reflecting off of it. But it's a gold glitter. I didn't show y'all the glitter. I was so busy trying to show y'all the reflective label. Ooh, that is super pretty. It's gold, but it's got green glitter in it as well. Ooh, that's different. Because normally when you get like a gold glitter, I don't know if you guys can see the green in it. Normally when you get a gold glitter, it just normally has like gold and silver in it. But this has gold and green in it. That's pretty neat. From Sparrow Cosmetics, we have an amazing full-size glitter liner. This liner stayed all day for me without glitter falling all over my face. And it's not too thin or too thick. This shade was made specifically for the July edition. However, Sparrow Cosmetics carries a full line of glitter liners. That's pretty cool. I like to take glitter liners sometimes, and if my sparkle shade or isn't like as blinding or sparkly as I want it, I'll take glitter liners sometimes and I'll just kind of like brush them on my lid to give me a little bit more sparkles. Ooh. Looks like we have another necklace. This is so... Ooh, I like this stone. It is pretty. From the Healing Maiden Designs, we have a wrapped crystal chosen at random for each order. There were so many that were difficult to let go because they are so beautiful. I got this like purple with the blue and yellow iridescence to it. It's just so pretty. I love it. That is so pretty. I've actually given a couple of these to my nieces and they absolutely love them. They wear them all the time. This is from Augusta Rose Designs. We have a whipped sugar scrub and it is in the scent, I don't know. She normally has the scent on here, but she doesn't have it on there this month. Ooh. I can't quite put my finger on. I kind of smell a little bit of cinnamon, but this is what it looks like. It's green. Let's see what it says. As from Augusta Rose Designs, we have a sample size body scrub scented with a delicious, spicy, and creamy creation of cinnamon. I told you. Grated nutmeg, cardamom, and black peppercorn blended with puree pumpkin, mahogany wood, whipped cream, and vanilla bean. That is neat. I like how it's green instead of just white. I think she probably did that for this month's edition because it is Medusa. We have one more item, and it is an eye pigment from Maeder Makeup Labs in the shade Medusa. It's a loose pigment. She has a little Medusa on there. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a dark green with some gold glitter in it. Let's give it a little swatch. Ooh, that's super pretty. I like that. It says on here, from Maeder Makeup Labs, we have a deluxe sample shadow in a clamshell container. This amazing green will definitely pop in any makeup look. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Can't wait to wear this. All right, I'm going to clean everything up. Then I'm going to run down the prices of all the products, and I'll be right back. Okay, so before I get into the prices, I did want to talk about this right here. She actually had asked for my opinion about it. If you guys have purchased Pandora's box before, when they had them in the other mailer bag, they had them in a cellophane bag, which sometimes if there were too many products in it, the cellophane bags would rip. So she had asked about using these, and I thought this was a great idea. And she also puts a sticker on it right here, so then you can see what brands are in the bag before you even take it out. I did want to mention that before I ran down these prices. Here we go with the prices. The Apocalyptic Beauty Setting Spray, it is $8.35 for a full size. This is a travel size. I will have to look up, I think this is a 5 milliliter. No, 15. I can't read. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. I will look up on their site and see what the full size bottle is, and I'll pop it down at the bottom of the screen for you. And like I said, retails for $8.35. Okay, the body scrub from Augusta Rose. This is the sample size. A full size retails for $8, and it comes in a jar this size. This is a full size jar. This is the Rebel Meringue from Rebel Rouge Labs. I use this as example because my body scrubs are upstairs in my shower. I'm not going to get them. The body oil from Serendas Enchantments. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. These retail for $4, and it's this size right here. The Hallow Cosmetics highlighter slash shadow. This is a sample size. The full size is a 36 millimeter pan. I do believe this is the 26 millimeter pan. And they retail from $10 to $14.50. That probably depends on what kind of highlighter slash shadow that you get. The necklace from the Healing Maiden retails for $10 to $15 depending on the size of the crystal. The Maeder Makeup Labs loose pigment retails from $5 to $13. The $13 is a pressed shadow size, pressed shadow price. And it depends on which collection of pigment is in. So depending on what you get depends on the price. The lollipops from Lollies by Leah retails 2 for $3. The eye base retails for $5.50, and like I stated before, this is a full size eye base. And the Sparrow Cosmetics glitter liner, this is a full size, and it retails for $8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 products this month. So I love the variety where we have lollipops, cosmetics, perfume, setting spray, jewelry, bath and body. I love it. If you want to get in on next month's edition, which the theme is Once Upon a Time, you do have until July 20th to pre-order that box. I will put all the information down in the description box in case you want to order it. I highly recommend that you guys order it. I've already ordered mine. Pandora's box does retail for $25 plus $5 for shipping, making it $30 overall, which makes it a really great deal, especially for the amount of products you get, and you get to try out different kinds of brands. It's just awesome. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, I will place in the description box the items I use to make this makeup look with as well. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Couldn't get anything out. Talking is just out the window today. It's like, changed my lipstick 3 times and I'm still not happy with it. That body oil just smells so good.